Hi, this is John with WTI, and I'm always trying, in this case, trying to protect the interior of my car because I live in a wide open place which is always hitting by the sun. The UV rays could actually affect the plastics or any other of the areas of the car, the dashboard. And this is where this Armor All protector comes into place. So what I do is simple and at the same time practical. I just spray it on in all the areas in my car, the housing, the dashboard, and all these places that are always exposed to the sun. And just spraying this in different places, it just does a great job. So one of the things that is really good from this is that it gives a medium shine uh, filling to all the sides in plastic. So it's not going to be just a normal shine. It's going to be a really nice shine that's going to stay for a couple of days. And it's going to protect at the same time the dashboard and all the plastic parts of your car. So if you're really trying to take care of the insides of your car, all the plastic areas, this product actually does a great job. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.